Actually, mas, ano, mas chaos. Charity, peace, or wisdom?
Bonifacio.
Bonifacio. Hi, it's Myra from the last video. Hey.
Muto, gibayin niyo.
Oh, yes. Okay, so... No! This is Myra from the last video.
Today
Yes.
we are not going home yet because...
Yes! Oh, tara yung to si Uncle Ig. Uncle Ig. It's si Samuel. And si Warren.
Uncle Ig.
Yes. Uncle... di ba, ig-agaw man mo ni Ryan. And then, so that means he's my uncle.
Yeah.
So I call him Uncle Ig.
We call him Grandpa Ig.
No, Grandpa Ig.
Ay, Nigeria is Uncle Ig.
Yeah. It's Uncle Ig.
But it look
You don't remember me? Okay. Okay. Do you want to be interviewed, people? Sige. What is your name? Okay.
My name is Ambot lang. Say last name. Real. Sir, dili mo yan ang dublas.
Okay, ikaw. Tampos.
Basan.
Hoy.
Kadiri kayo.
Okay. What is your talents? Una muna ikaw.
Wala ko.
Ikaw. Wow, ikaw. Ikaw. Dancing. Uy! Really? Sport manag. Okay, pares ra na
Piano.
may ka-piano. So you are an instrumental. Oy, sudoku. Okay.
Guitar.
Wow, same. Very good. Okay, small lang. Okay, what will you wear in the United Nations?
Uniform.
Ikaw.
China.
Ikaw, Linde. Hey, Linde.
Indonesia.
Wow! What is your zodiac sign?
Scorpio.
Ikaw.
Sagittarius.
Pisces.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer. Ikaw.
Ako?
Ikaw. Linde, ikaw.
Ano siya kabalo sa zodiac sign?
Okay. This is Hanin from the other video.
Treat me like a kiss.
Yes. Hello.
Ikaw na sad, Angela.
No.
What's your zodiac sign?
Zodiac sign, Gemini.
Gemini? You're Gemini?
Thank you, people. Yeah, I'm a Gemini. Thank you, people. Thank you, DCCians.
I don't really believe in zodiac signs.
Same.
But I
was just
am
asking
a
because I
Virgo.
ran out of questions.
But I am a Virgo.
Yes. Diba? You're a Virgo.